Yes, welcome to Fun Food Factory. Factory food, fun food factory, factory food. Hey, fun food factory, factory food. Why? Fun food factory, factory. Hey! Alright, good. So today what we gonna do? Alright, so today is day 4 of my 7-day vegan challenge. And you don't know, we're gonna play with food a little bit. Cause we have a Jamaican style, so the belly they call for something different, so I try to be as creative as possible. Today I am going to make green juice, and I'm also going to do some coconut stew with gungo peas, bean, and coconut, my secret ingredients. Alright, so first, let me start the green juice first. Watch me now, watch me now, watch me now. Happy your vibes in this, happy your vibes in this. Whoa, guys, Alright. Before we start, my green juice going to consist of kale, pak choy, Spanish nigel, parsley with 1 stalk of callaloo, and turmeric. Don't remove the skin, and spinach. Yeah, and that's my green juice ingredients. Watch me now. Now me can do what me I do. Alright, so I still a do pak choy, you hear me people? Yeah man, pak choy I still a do. Alright, so next I have kale. I'm gonna do kale next. So I'm still doing kale. My juice making machine. Alright, next, Spanish nigel with me 1 stalk of callaloo. Yeah, that's all I have. I have some baby plants, but just give me a little time. Alright. And then next, we have my parsley. Alright. And then we have spinach. Yeah, we talked about spinach yesterday. Yeah, we talked about spinach yesterday and nutritional ingredients. Yeah man, I can go back to the video. Finally, we have turmeric. Alright. And there go my green juice. Alright, let me just let this run out a little bit more. Yeah, me lean it and make sure say all of the juice come out. You understand? Alright. I'm coming, I'm not going anywhere. I just set one cup on here, that's in a lean. So here's the glass, green juice time. Woo! Green. Woo! Rich. Yes, my people don't have to realize, you know, that they come with their fake food crisis, you know. But then claim say, food is gonna get short. Prepare for it. Don't ask me how I know. When it happens, you ask yourself. Alright, good. So next, I am gonna do my broad bean stew. What you gotta first know is that first thing first, I'm gonna make my seasoning, my what me fi say, what me call it, my secret ingredient. So I season my nowadays stew. Alright, watch out now. Coconut. Open the blender. Alright, me throw my coconut. Next, me have my garlic. Cut up my garlic. Put it in there. Alright, next, me have my turmeric. Don't remove the skin of strength also. And me cut up my turmeric them in there. Alright, more turmeric. And you know, say in Jamaica, what make them say we food taste different from anybody else. Watch out, we don't do no measurement. A splash of ginger. Alright, Scotch bonnet pepper. I cut up everything in there because I'm a lover of pepper. Alright, and then now me have escallion, straight from the farm. All of me just talk about except the turmeric and the ginger I bought it. I don't catch a plant as yet. Escallion planted by a person that was special to me and still is. Yes. Right around my garden there we have it. Yeah man, this person that planted escallion for me, trust me, have teach me or taught me some real life lessons, you know? Yeah. Alright. So good. So let me add water. Alright, good. And put that on the blender there, so done with that. Blend up everything you know. Then we had a little pink Himalayan salt. Alright. Yeah, this salt is a little bit, people would say, weaker than normal salt. So we have the pink Himalayan salt. And we just blend it one more time. Just to make sure so everything blend. Alright. Then we light the stove. Alright, so meanwhile I light the stove right there, so I throw in my secret ingredients. See it there? Throw in it. Make sure everything is all in. Yes. Alright, put back this is so. Alright, watch out now. So meanwhile this are there they go and bubble. Wait for that to bubble. Alright, so them bean here, broad bean straight from my farm. So they are young, meaning they are succulent. So I don't reap them when they are mature because I'm going to eat the skin also. I am going to show you that. So I remove, I'm going to cut them fine. So what you gotta do, there is a part that closes the pod. Like a seal, you gotta remove it. So as long as you remove that part, it will not eat trashy. And I cut it in fine pieces. So remove the seals. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it fine. Oh, remember, the seals are on both sides. Remove the seal, first side, remove the seal, next side. Oh, yeah man, the seal is on both sides. Yeah, I cannot throw away my chlorophyll because chlorophyll is the real electricity that have live enzymes within it. So I want it to go in my body. So, as you may know, when you're cooking in Jamaica, we go over. So this now is my gungo peas pressured in garlic water. So what happened is because the gungo them, me make them tamp on the tree and hard up. So me now make them get to it, they still are going to tummy sauce, some broad bean, them away hard, and also some gungo. So I'm going to throw it when my pot starts, boiling there, along with this that I'm going to put inside of it. Then broad bean with the skin in there. Yeah man, so me make a little stew, cause belly go on like say, you want something different, you understand? So, as me say, there is no set piece for cooking. Cooking is hard. And hard have no blueprint. It's so dynamic and how you can play with it, because the more you play with it, the better you will get. Or I should say you will get some unique and dynamic, authentic, results. Alright, so cut up them broad bean. I'm going to serve this with some vegetables. You understand the vegetables them in salt water over there. Yeah man, vegetables them in salt water. Oh, what you should know, just like the string bean family, at the point of the beans, when you remove it, these have insulin that help you with your blood sugar. You see why the skin was created to eat? Yeah, a lot of people throw it away. But you're going to ask me, how did I learn that? Where did I see it? Which information? Just remember that all knowledge is within you, my friend. We're looking outside of ourselves all the day of our life. And we don't realize, say, all of the information inside of you. You just wake up someday and your mind say, yo, why we cannot try that? That's your intuition. Yes, that's where I get my knowledge from. My intuition and also my granddad. Yeah. Me smell sitting nice. Alright. I smell something nice. So this is a little boil. And then I throw my beans and broad beans in, that is pressured. Alright. Now you come put us. I may cover up that again. I may allow it for, ruminate. Yes, yes, daddy. Alright. So what we do now, we go add a little bit more spice to the pot. This name rosemary. And this name what? Time. Jamaican time, and this name French time. Yesterday we talked about it. Or Mexican mint. And I take my time, me up my pot, and I drop them there in there. Jamaican style. I want to hear about. Fully wake out here, man. Yes, man. I want to hear, man, Fun Food Factory there. With you, my virgin. Yes, man, and for more videos like these, remember, you know, if you want to see good work continue, you know, man, like, subscribe, and share, and hit the notification bell, because you don't know, you know, man, and that's how we get pay, you know. That's the pay we get to share the love. That I pay, my brother, that is enough. That I pay, sister, that is enough. You understand? I have so much being down what me think. What I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna cut everything up. I'm gonna leave some for when? Tomorrow. Tomorrow, people, where is your best? Tomorrow, me say them a food area. Me tell you why them a food are go taste good. Cause me have one natural ingredients, one secret ingredient so me never talk about the name. L-O-V-E. L-O-V-E. Love, man. That's why Jamaican pack them so nice. Hey, me I tell you say one time when me young guy I'm usually excited for go KFC and Burger King. You see now? Oh boy, so me pass and see somebody they cook outside. Them patty are still, you know, me so get it, you know, me people. Them patty are run out at the door, you know. Yeah, man. Alright, me people. So, when me cut up them then now, that is enough. So me I wait. You ready, you know, you ready, you know. So all of them here with the skin, see them there? Crepe them off, see it there? In a pack then there. Both bean and skin. Alright. Then me lock up, voila, me stir pot little. Voila, me just turn the pot. Pass it dutchy, pass the coachip on the left hand side, it off the bud. Cause the herbs can done. Very good, alright, good. So, next, take out my vegetable them, out of water, hold on. Alright, so I put on keels there, so. Cause I'm going to serve one plate, you know. I'm going to show you an end product. What it look like when you finish. Put on kale there, so. Alright, so I have some pop choy here, so. And some long leaf cabbage. Alright, hold on there, hold on there. Let me separate them. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Alright, you know what you think I'm going to do? And you are just 35-year-old. Where can you think? Everything we do, I get laugh like you. Alright. You could have lived the night and you could have let you do. Alright. So watch out now. So next, what me have here, so? Kale again. Yes, man, in a Jamaica, so we do, man. Me know you say kale in a green juice and now we there, so. Yeah, man, I eat, man. And we say vegan. 7-day vegan challenge. So me cut up kale. Same like yesterday, man. We have put them back in a salad bowl. And we have make that just go and cook down, come down, so taste up the pot and see what it tastes like. Alright, the phone there for go ring, you know. Us phone, me don't know who they call you now. But you have to go ring, you will stop. Alright, so the salad bowl here, 2 half kale. Alright, so next, me have wayaso, bush cabbage. Next we have what? Bush cabbage. Long leaf cabbage. Then cabbage, as me say, I straight one them, then a fall. And them genetically modify and bunny with one other plant we fall, and that's why they start fall. But the real native one, you have to get the bush cabbage. Me I tell you, you have one heap of power in it. Happy vibes in this, happy vibes in this. Alright. So cabbage cut up. Hold on, see 2 more here. Let me just finish cutting up. Yes, my subscribers who ask that they want to see how the food prepared, they don't just want to see how it cook or I'm eating over the internet and you feel so jealous. Alright, days of jealousies are over. This is how knowledge true, well, me say knowledge true version that I be other channel, but nothing wrong with it. This one is the Fun Food Factory. I know me have a pak chai. See it here? Everything named vegetable off my backyard farm, right around my backyard. Because we know say if fake food crisis they come. People want to learn to feed yourself, learn to be self-sufficient. All you need to do, go to the farm store, get seeds, start store seeds. When the seeds come from out of your mango, your sweet sap, your lime, store seeds, put them in tissues and put them in plastic and store them in your fridge. Because then go try to make a kneel down, to take one vaccine, but a vaccine or introduction of AI computers. They want you to order everything on Uber. Uber will be in Jamaica. It's already over the world. They don't want you left your house. They want you turn their work, do everything. But anyway, this is a channel that we not talk about them simply. A food with it. Let me taste what they go on here. Yes. Yes, my people. Alright, so this part now had come to an end. This part has come to an end. Alright, good. So I turn off. See it there? Alright, so the vegetable here, I stir them up. That means everybody get every little thing. Stir them. Stir them. Alright, good. Let me just put this around here and put the plate here so that you can see what they go on. Alright. There you go, my brethren. My sister, there you go with your share. Alright. And then now, we take one little spoon. It's a big spoon actually. Oh boy, yeah. Yeah man, me know. If somebody has said, oh, you sound like an idiot, so yes man, alright. I'm just gonna share one spoon. Oh my word, it's vegetable with vegetable. I'm just gonna share a little. Oh, let me give somebody more. We are going some mean. But you me don't want to give them enough. Even though they not going to eat it for real, I'm going to eat it back. So, ta-da! End product. 7-day vegan challenge, day 4. This is a salad bowl with a little bit of bean and gungo stew with my secret ingredients, coconut. If you're just, watching the channel, and we have our green drink here. So green juice, I hope you see it. So see it here, green juice. Let me move the pot out of the way. Let me make sure that you're seeing everything. So green juice with stew and salad. All right. Have yourself a wonderful day. Fun Food Factory, factory food, fun. Fun Food Factory, factory food. Hey, I'm going to have a wonderful day. I'm not going to eat in front of you today. I want to sit and play with my food. Meditate, ruminate with my food. Fun Food Factory, factory food, fun. Thank you for having me. Subscribe, like, share, hit the notification bell for more videos like this. I love you so much, my wonderful Fun Food Factory, factory food, fun! Yes, day 4 of my 7-day vegan challenge.